Hey guys, welcome to Coorong Island.
Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. Not dead yet, true shit.
What we've done since our last video, so we left Siam Reap when Yaz and Gaz left, and we have made our way around. We stopped at a little town called Battambang for a few days. Cool little place, not a heap to do there, but we did go out one night and we saw this cave where right on dusk, thousands and thousands of bats come out of the cave and go flying off into the rice fields to eat insects, so that was pretty cool. So Coorong is actually the second largest island in Cambodia. It sits about 25 kilometres from Sihanoukville, the coastal town in Cambodia. We actually stayed a night there before we came over here, and to be honest, Sihanoukville, it's neither here nor there. It's a very dusty place that's full of construction at the moment, so I'd only stay there if you were going to come over to the islands. So it takes about 45 minutes by speedboat to reach Coorong Island. You can't get there any other way, you have to catch a boat. We're actually staying on a beach called Longset Beach, which is one of the larger beaches on the island. There are a few resorts and hostels along here, but for the most part it's still relatively deserted, pretty untouched, so you can definitely get your taste of deserted beach life here if that's what you want. There's tons of things to do on the island though. You can go kayaking, go swimming, you can rent a jet ski. You can even go hiking through the jungle if that's what you really want to one of the other more deserted beaches around the place. What we've chosen to do for the last few days is relax by the beach, have some beers, eat a bit. We've been on the road for quite a few days now, so it's been really nice to just have a bit of a relax and just stop. There's actually a cool little local place that does really good breakfast. You actually need to walk through a river to even get to. So one other really cool thing that we've done here is some nights there's actually bioluminescent plankton in the water, and one night we actually went out for a swim after dark and we were lucky enough to see it, and as you moved your hands and your feet through the water would just light up in front of you. So that was really cool. It's only going to be a quick video today. I just wanted to give you guys an update and show you guys this island. It was really cool, but yeah, let's go have a look at the island.
One moment, one shot. To waste. Look into my eyes, it's gonna be right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay.
So yeah guys, that's everything from us today in Coorong. Don't forget to like it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell right beside it. And we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!